Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add transition effect to your clip in CapCut for PC. So I think this video is especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for the first time. So for example, I'm just going to add few images and I'm just going to add transition between the clip. So just click transition and select transition you like here, right? I'm just going to select the pull in transition and you can adjust for the duration right here. You can apply to all the clip or the transition, or you can change for the transition. Just click at the right here, click OK. Alright, go. Yeah, that's how you can add transition in CapCut PC. Yeah, I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.